Let's understand what a variable is in programming. A variable is a container in which a data value can be stored within the computer's memory. The stored value can then be referenced using the variable's name. Data to be stored in a variable is assigned in a Python program declaration statement with the equals assignment operator. This means we assign a value to a variable name. Syntax: variable name equals variable value. Example: a equals 10, name equals LIDAR. For example, a equal to 10 stores the value 10 in variable a.
Example, a equals 10 stores the value 10 in variable a. Here, a is the variable and 10 is the data value. Another example is name equals LIDAR, which stores text data. Python automatically understands the type of data stored. This is how variables help us store and use data in Python programs.
Variable names can contain letters, numbers, and underscores. Variable names must not start with a number. Variable names should be meaningful and descriptive. Spaces are not allowed in variable names. Variable names should not be Python keywords, if for print. Python is case sensitive. Name and name are different. Variables must be assigned before use. It is good practice to initialize variables properly to avoid errors. Thank you.